guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna show you how I edit my YouTube videos using InShot app. So as you guys keep asking me through which app I edit my videos and how to edit the videos, so here I am. And actually I edit my videos through many apps like Vita, VLLO and InShot, many more, but the basic video editing procedure is same. So if you will watch this video till the end, you can get the procedure for the rest of the apps also. And yeah, if you're interested, watch the video till the end. Before starting the video, you have to subscribe the channel. Okay, let's get started.
The option is canvas.
So this is going to adjust the video in a particular ratio, and in this app you have got the ratios with a particular app logo. Like if you can see 16:9 for YouTube and Instagram 1:1, 9:16 for shorts or Instagram reels or stuff like that. You can increase the outer frame, and if you want to adjust your video according to you without any particular ratio, then you can choose no frame. So yeah. Then we have music. So here we got three options. First of all, let's track. So track, we have been allotted with a lot of tracks over here, and they're all free almost. You can download them. Nothing is premium. Then we have my music, in which you have got all your tracks, all the sounds that you have been downloaded, all the sound effects that you have. Also, you can extract the audio from the video by clicking on this option. And yeah, then we have effects. So these are the free sound basic popular effects that are given by InShot already, and they all are free. Nothing is premium. So yeah. Then we have the third option. Effects are the same that I've told you right now. Then record. So record is going to act as a voice over to your video, or it can add additional voice to your video. So like this, if I choose, so
Hey guys, so this is how it will look like. Now you can adjust the volume and you can exceed it till 200. You can also add the fading at the start or end or wherever you want.
that's how it works. Then we have stickers. So sticker is one of the most important or my favorite features for any video editing app. Suppose in this app, if you have downloaded some of the stickers, then you will get over here. Otherwise, you can download them by using this back kind of logo. So here you get a lot of free stickers. You can get them by just watching the video. And yeah, however, there are so many premium also. So yeah, you can check out. Also, you can add the GIF and sticker by clicking on that option, this option. Then we have again allotted with a lot of GIFs already. You need not to search for a particular GIF, but if you want something which is not given, so like if you can see, do subscribe guys. Okay, so now you can search over like this, and then you will get a particular. Then we have stickers also. So stickers, the same thing. You have been allotted with a lot of stickers, but if you want the sticker for particular thing only, then you can search and you will get, like as you can see. Please comment down your suggestions for the next videos. Okay, then we have some moving stickers already given. So yeah, and this image looking logo is used for adding photo as a sticker. So as you can see, I've already added so many photos over here as a sticker, but you can choose by this, and then you can add the particular photo as your sticker. Then we have text. So text, let's write something. Yeah, do these things also. So as text has been given with a lot of colors, like you can choose the color of your text in the gradient form, in the color form. Also, you have been allotted with auto generated text forms, you can say. Yeah, you need not to go for a lot of editing till the last part of text editing. You can just select any of them, and if you don't want, you can choose this. Okay, then we have border. So again, you have got a lot of colors for adding the different colorful borders. Like I choose red. Then you can choose the opacity of border. You can decrease it, you can increase it. Then we have shadows. So basically you can add horizontal shadow or vertical shadow to your picture. You can also increase the opacity of your shadow, like if you can see the difference between. And yeah, then we have labels. So basically label, we have been allotted with a lot of shapes for labels, like if you can see this. And you have also given with a lot of colors in the gradient forms too, like this. You can also get some other colors by choosing this color palette by watching the video. And yeah, then we have opacity. So this opacity option is not going to choose the opacity of border or shadow. It's going to choose the opacity for overall auto generated or generated form of text, as you can see. Now we have AA. So basically these are some text forms that you have been allotted with already. But if you want some more, you can also you can again go for shopping and just click on this back kind of logo. So you have got a lot of text forms. You can get them by watching the video. So yeah. Then we have alignment, so you can align your text into right, left or middle. You can, by this TT, you can choose the size of your image at what kind of size you want. Then you have AA, this is going to choose the horizontal space of between your letters of the word. And then we have vertical space, which is going to choose the space between the words. And yeah, then we have animation kind, so you can choose the animation for different text that you have added. Same with the stickers too, you can choose in out version, you can choose the time interval, at what time interval you want, like speed you can say in the terms of second. Then we have loops, you can choose in the, like if you want them in the loop, you can adjust the time interval so that they run slowly, or yeah, like this if you can see. Okay, now you have been given our copy option over here. So basically whenever you have been allotted with a copy option, which means that you can add multiple layers of that same thing again and again. So yeah, here it is given, but in some of the options you will not be some of the options you will not get this option. Okay, now we have filters. So basically we have three options over here, so let's choose filters. So you have been allotted with only few filters only till then here. Afterwards you will get the some premium, so you have few filters only. You can also choose the opacity of every filter, like, and you can see the before and after too. Yeah, so yeah, then we have adjust. So basically here we got some basic Lightroom features for photo editing, but now we are going to edit the video by those basic features like contrast and brightness, shadow, color, hue. So this all I have told in my Lightroom editing tutorial, so you can check out that. The link is in the description box, and there I've told the every use of every feature. So yeah, then we have effect. So basically if you have the updated version, then that will be the best, because updated version has some of the effects, some of the new background, and it has a reverse option. Also it will keep your app safe, as the computer language says. Oh my god, this is right. Okay, then let's see these effects. So you have got only some of the effects, means you have got only one effect from every kind of effect. Like if I choose from this, so you got glitch, but you did not got TV. So like that. And you can also choose the value of that what intensity you want. Also if you choose zoom, so you can choose the interval, at what time interval you want, the strength, like everything is here. So just check out them, you will get to know. That is very basic. Okay, then we have pre-cut. So basically pre-cut is going to follow the three basic trim, cut, split steps that we should follow as a second step for any video editing. I mean कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तुम्हारा पहला स्टेप यही होना चाहिए कि ये जो कैनवस होता है, ये जो क्रॉप ऑप्शन होता है, ये जो बेसिक बैकग्राउंड होते हैं, ये सब तुम सबसे पहले कर लो, ताकि जितने भी तुमने, अगर तुम्हारे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में है वीडियो, तो तुमको हर एक पार्ट के लिए सेलेक्ट बार बार ना करना पड़े, उससे तुम्हारा टाइम बचेगा. सेकेंड स्टेप क्या होना चाहिए कि हमेशा ट्रिम कट स्प्लिट कर लो, क्योंकि अगर तुम पहले मतलब अपनी वीडियोस को पार्ट में डिवाइड कर लोगे, फिर तुम ऐड करोगे स्टिकर वगैरह वगैरह, जैसे म्यूजिक इफेक्ट्स और ये सब, तो तुम्हारा जो भी है, तुमको एक परफेक्ट वीडियो ड्यूरेशन, तुम्हें इतनी जितनी वीडियो चाहिए वो तुम्हें मिल जाएगी. अब बस तुम्हें बाकी का एडिशनल काम करना है. अगर तुम ऐसा नहीं करोगे और पहले तुमने स्टिकर वगैरह वगैरह लगा दिए उत्सुकता के मारे, तो फिर क्या होगा कि जैसे कि आपको कोई भी स्टिकर एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे चाहिए होगा, तो वो जो है अपनी पॉइंट से चला जाएगा, एंड इट विल चेंज योर वीडियो ड्रास्टिकली. तो वो मत करो, मेरे साथ हो चुका है. Okay, then we have a split. So basically split is going to divide your videos into parts, and you can choose multi split also, but the split should be of at least 1 second. Otherwise if you will choose more than that, then you cannot add transition to it. So cut is going to remove particular parts that you don't want from your video. Trim is also going to do the same. Okay, now I was telling about transition. So here you got a lot of transitions, but only basic are free. Rest all are premium. You can choose only these of them. Just all are premium. So basically only basic transitions are given, and you can also choose interval. Now we have then option, we got a split that I have told you. Delete is very basic. If you want to delete some part of your video, then you can choose delete. And suppose you did a mistake and you want to undo kind, so always we get a undo option. Kash life mein bhi hota. Okay, fine. So here you can choose the undo option. You can also choose the redo option, like we do in Lightroom and start. Okay, then we have got background. So background, if your video is having not a perfect ratio, it has some outer part like this, you can choose. So many backgrounds are given, and they all are free. So like blurry background, color kind of background, gradient background. You have also got pattern backgrounds according to the updated version, so you can choose any of them. Now we have speed option. Speed, you can adjust your speed at whatever you want. You can adjust, you can decrease the speed for slow motion or something like that. So yeah, then we have volume. So you can exceed your volume till 200, and you can also extract the audio from the video. Then we have duplicate. So duplicate, if you ever want a duplicate of any part of your video, then you can click on this. Okay, So you will get again you will get a copy of that basically. Then we have reverse option, so it is going to reverse your video, means it is going to start your video from the end, so it will take time, so we're not going to show you. Okay, then we have rotate, so you can rotate your video into so many directions, like yeah, you can also flip the video according to you. Now freeze option, so freeze option is going to nothing much, but is going to freeze or stop the video for some seconds. You can also increase or decrease the speed of the seconds. This feature you can use for any important information that you want to give, and yeah, like that, or if you want to show something, yeah, so you can choose. And this is it. These are the some basic features. Now this plus sign over here you got two options, blank and video and photo. So basically if you want to add media or background, extra plain background, then you can choose. So yeah, then we have photo or video, then you can choose any video and photo from your gallery for adding into the video. When you're going to save, you get the precaution like deleting the original video will damage the draft file, विच मीन कि अगर तुमने अपनी वीडियो सेव कर ली है और तुम्हें पता है कि तुम्हारा रखा हुआ है इनशॉट में ड्राफ्ट, तो तुमने जो सेव किया है वो डिलीट कर दी, अब तुम इनशॉट में जाओगे फिर से ड्राफ्ट में उसको सेव कर लोगे, तो वो ऐसा नहीं होगा, क्योंकि जब तुम ड्राफ्ट में जाओगे, क्योंकि तुमने अपनी ओरिजिनल वीडियो डिलीट कर दी है जो तुमने सेव की थी, या जो भी जिससे तुमने ड्राफ्ट बनाया था, इसीलिए वो ड्राफ्ट भी चला जाएगा, तो तुमको फिर से पूरी वीडियो एडिट करनी होगी. So yeah, keep your videos in a safe, proper, like in a storage, or keep it safe. This has also happened with me a lot of times. Okay, so yeah, if you will save, then it will save. So you have got customize option, you can choose whatever the quality you want. I prefer 180 because yeah, that is the best. And yeah, you will get the save option. So this is it for today's video. So I hope this video turned useful, and if it is, so you are very clear, I think, now what you have to do, like share, subscribe. Also you can comment down in the comment section like which kind of videos do you want. Okay, fine, let's meet you in another video. Till then, bye.